Hi, good day everyone. This is Mario from the Racing, and you're watching my very first Hi, good day everyone. Good morning og maayong buntag. Today, I'm trying to speak an English for the benefits of our viewers, fellow bloggers in other countries just like Indonesia, Taiwan, Thailand, and America. So, even in Europe, they watching us. I mean, pagpasensyahan nyo na mga sir kung talagang hindi ako bihasa sa English. Pero, I'm trying my best, ha? Sige. So, let's talk about King Drag Pipe. I think there's a lot of supplier over in Manila. They selling, I mean, we got it over in Taiwan. So, this is my very first video about unboxing product. Okay? Impression. My very first impression, okay, about this product. The box, it looks like shit. Take a look. What do you expect about this product inside? You know? About the packaging. This one. This is more good looking packaging than the other one, right? But take note, let's open the box first. Okay? Are you ready everyone? Okay, let's do it. Ooh. There's a, what do you call this, styrofoam, I think. Styrofoam, styropod, whatsoever. I think this kind of packaging, if you ship this over, I mean in the other part of the Philippines, this is safe because the styrofoam is so thick. What's in the box? First thing first is the rubber. Stainless bracket, 3 springs, 2 hooks, washer, 1 bolt, and 1 nut. The silencer is specially made for the Filipinos, I think, because there's a lot of backup or holy. This is the main elbow, wrapped with plastic. Very nice. 8 bracket, titanium elbow, oh, very nice. Especially the welt, very great, very nice design. And the last is the main canister. Wow, very unique. This a King Drag brand. It is a 2 balls, or what do you call this? Also have a brand here. Laser type brand. 2 cuts in here. Gold rings. Let's go about the length, the size, the cuts, inches, the meter, the full details of this pipe. Let's go first with the canister, the main canister. The main canister length is 40 centimeter. Let's use about the caliper, the very unique caliper. 57 millimeter. Alright, 52 millimeter. Okay, the design is screen type. The next one is the elbow from cylinder head. Okay. 30 centimeter. 32 millimeter. 35 millimeter. Okay. 38 millimeter. 35 millimeter. Let's count about the cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cuts. 41 millimeter. 51 millimeter. Okay. Silencer. 5 bracket in the rubber. 7 mm bolts. 2 washers. 1 stainless nut. 2 extra hooks. 3 rainbow type springs. It's all the details about this pipe. Let's assemble the pipe. This is the look about the whole pipe of Sniper 150, Exciter 150 or MXT. This is the whole look. This is the final look about the Raider pipe inside the box. There is no styrofoam, styro box or whatsoever. So this is for the Raider 150 Fi. For the Raider 150 Fi, the whole canister is blue or titanium. The sniper had a gold one in the center for the canister. Bracket, 2 elbow in 1 bubble wrap. The whole first elbow is wrapped with plastic. 2 cuts in here, 1 cut in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cuts for the Raider 150 Fi. For the Raider 150 Fi is length 38 centimeter. The elbow is 45 centimeter, 37 centimeter, 57 millimeter, 52 millimeter, 35 millimeter. From cylinder head to end is same size, 35 millimeter. Here 38 millimeter, 35 millimeter, 50 millimeter. This is the final look for the Raider 150 Fi.
Very unique. Beautiful.
Okay guys, this is the end of my video about the unboxing the King Trap 5. If you want to order or inquiries, just follow my Facebook account or my Facebook page here. Okay, or just look in the description box for the contact number, about the Facebook, and etc. So guys, thank you. Safe ride, safe travel, safe sa virus.
I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches. to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm